So today we're going to make a do-it-yourself FaceTime moisturizer for your skin. One of my favorite things is doing your own skincare. The reason I like to make my own skincare is, first of all, it's fast, it's very easy, there's hardly anything to it, and you're not paying for expensive skincare. I'm shocked how much skincare is, and the skincare that you're going to make at home doesn't have added chemicals, it doesn't have added preservatives. It's a more natural product for your skin, because skin is one of your largest organs in your body, and that's absorbed. Everything you put on your skin is absorbed through the skin into your body, so it's nice to have it as natural as possible. Now you'll notice that I make small batches. There's a reason for that, because I don't want to put preservatives in it. Now I use glass, so any glass that you have with a lid, because I don't like plastic, it absorbs into the product. And I usually use a brown glass so that it doesn't have the light and sun oxidizing what's inside the glass. But I ran out, so you can use clear glass. Just leave it in a dark spot in your bathroom or wherever you're leaving it, and it'll be fine as long as the sun and light isn't getting to it all the time. So we are starting with half a cup of water, and believe it or not, water in its own right is a moisturizer for your skin, right? Not only do we drink water to moisturize, but putting it on your skin is good for your skin. Then we're going to put 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin, and this is easy to get. You can get it online or usually at your local health food store. So that's 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. Put that in your jar. And we're going to put 5 drops of frankincense essential oils. Now you don't want to put more than 5, because essential oils are very potent and you don't want it hurting your skin. You want to help your skin, but you know, too much of a good thing isn't always good for us. Then I'm going to put in 2 drops of calendula oil. Now I do have a dropper so that I don't put more than 2 drops. And the reason for that is because I don't want, this is a daytime moisturizer, so it's supposed to be light for your face. You don't want a bunch of oil on your face. You want to be able to put this moisture on and leave it on your skin or put it under makeup without it being really oily. So you have to be careful. That's why I'm using a dropper, that you only put 2 drops. Don't overdo the oil. Then you're going to use 2 drops of vitamin E oil, and again, you can get that online or you can get it at your local health food store usually. And then we're going to do 2 drops of vitamin A oil. Same thing, at your local health food store or online. These are easy products to get. And then you just gently tilt it every time you use it. Leave it in a dark place, so like I said, the sun isn't getting at it. Beautiful daytime moisturizer for your skin. Now you've got a few things in there that are helping your skin that I want to talk about. The glycerin is highly hydrating, so it's a fantastic moisturizer, and it softens your skin. The frankincense essential oil is a cell regenerator, so it helps to promote new cell growth. And then you've got your vitamin E, that is very moisturizing. Your vitamin A is awesome for hydration. And of course, calendula oil. If you look up calendula oil, there's so many properties that it's good for the skin. It is amazing. The thing I love about calendula oil is it's a lightweight oil. So what I mean by that is it's not a heavy oil. It's not going to be sitting on your skin and it's heavy. So again, just do the 2 drops of each, because you don't want a heavy oil. This is a light daytime moisturizer, and that is it. Under 2 minutes, you've got a beautiful moisturizer for your skin. Awesome. You have a great day.